Hey, Gary here with you. A quick update for day 25, blogging with AI, ChatGPT, Koala, even taking a look at Rank IQ, getting some keywords inside of KoalaWriter. I've written 4 blog posts so far. Of course, we started with asteroid fun facts. If you check out the details, here you can see the tone of voice is excited. I added those extra keywords right there. And those all came from inside of Rank IQ. Of course, inside of Rank IQ, I am hitting fun facts for asteroids, asteroid fun facts, how to get an asteroid named after you, fun facts about the asteroid belt, and how big would an asteroid have to be to destroy Earth. So going back to Koala, I wanted to also show you, this was the first one, the asteroid fun facts. And if you remember, it didn't have a conclusion. And in the last update, I talked about using those keywords from Rank IQ, or those topics that Rank IQ suggests to get into your blog because Google is looking for them. So get those in your blog post. It's very beneficial to the algorithm, right? So what I did is on the next set of articles, if you go into details, I added this extra section prompt, which is a section when you actually start an article. And I just said, please go deep into the subject as if you were teaching a 12th grade high school class, but keep it at a 5th grade reading level, interesting analogies and examples as they make sense for each section. That may look familiar because it's what I use in ChatGPT here for my response manager. Of course, blog post section, 12th grade with analogies. If I edit this, this is the prompt that I use in ChatGPT when I'm writing each section. You can see it here. I say, now write in the name of the section. Please go deep into the subject. So I'm incorporating my prompts from ChatGPT Plus into Koala. And I really like that about Koala. They're adding these extra little things that you can add. Of course, you all already had the point of view and the real-time data, which I really like. That is a great option, especially for creating the Amazon roundups when you're doing product reviews, but even in an article, pulling that real-time data. But also I'll show you an issue where the real-time data was pulled, but I didn't cite the reference. And now I need to go back and either figure out if Koala, maybe Koala Chat and or ChatGPT can give me the reference, or just Google it. I'll show you that here in a second. Of course, the tone of profile excited, I think I'm getting better results with that. I like the way it reads better. But this extra prompt here, this extra section prompt, when I added that in, that prompt from ChatGPT, the paragraphs got a little better, a little more interesting, a little more detailed, as well as the sections started including the conclusion. So I'm not sure if it was that prompt that got the conclusion in there, or just the article itself, the topic, the keyword, maybe more robust, but KoalaWriter has been doing better as far as what I can tell. Now, this one right here, how big would an asteroid need to be to destroy Earth? This was really good. And again, I used that same prompt inside of the details, but the conclusion was written. And what I had said in the last update was, lots of times when the conclusion isn't included, what I do is I go into Rank IQ when I run that report. And here we're talking about how big would an asteroid have to be to destroy Earth. If you go into the report, here are all those topics. And then, of course, if you go into the content optimizer, you can see right now it has an A++ grade. But I want to highlight the fact that if you scroll down, asteroids in our solar system and their threats, if you look in Koala, you won't find that because I actually had ChatGPT add that. So I copied this by clicking this blue copy button. I took that over to ChatGPT Plus using GPT-4, and then I said, here I said, or I prompted, I gave the input to ChatGPT Plus, please add a section to the blog post, how big would an asteroid need to be to destroy Earth, and use all of these keywords. Again, these keywords were the unused keywords. Again, I'm toggling this here under the keywords. These are all the keywords they say that you need to hit, or all the topics. And if you look at all the unused keywords, I copied those and I pasted those into ChatGPT with this prompt along with the blog post. And it came out with this: asteroids in our solar system and their threats. Then I went back to Rank IQ and I pasted that in and got an A++. So if you were to take that out and I annotated this in the spreadsheet, and I'll show you that in a second. This is the piece that it wrote. This is the new section. So if I take that new section out, you can see that grade went to a B+, and the unused words went up, right? And those are all the words that I pasted in. So you can see how that changes the grade from what Koala wrote inside of Rank IQ. Again, that grade's based on the number of keywords and hitting all the topics that Google wants based on the information that Rank IQ has given us to rank fast and compete inside of this topic utilizing this keyword. How big would an asteroid need to be to destroy Earth? So that's how I was using Rank IQ to go along with ChatGPT Plus and Koala. And then, of course, putting that all into Grooveblog. And then once it's all in Grooveblog, hitting publish. And then taking us up to, and you can see here, I annotated it. It was an A-. I think when I did that big space or I took something else out, I got a B+. A-, B+. I recorded it at the time it was A-. And then I added Chat Plus, and then I went to an A++ score. But you can see, since I got my Koala credits back, 4 blog posts, not 3, 4 blog posts. And if you go back to Grooveblog and we go ahead and exit, I didn't save anything there. You can see here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 under space fun facts. Currently, right now, all of the fun fact keywords that we found that used the word asteroid. Again, sort of a little mini topical authority attempt at just getting those posts, all of the posts for all the keywords about asteroids, and then we'll just cover all of the fun facts that we have under the space category inside of Rank IQ. If you got any questions, ask them in the comments. Any thoughts, let me know about those as well. Look forward to reading those. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.